This problem is asking us to simplify the expression 4 times the quantity d squared minus 3 minus the quantity d squared minus 1. Now the values inside the parentheses are not like terms. We have a coefficient and a variable in each one, so we cannot combine numbers in the parentheses. There are also no exponents. Let me write out PEMDAS here so you get an idea of where my thought process is going. So we have no parentheses, no exponents, so next is multiplication. Now I'm going to rewrite this negative right here. I'm just going to stick a 1 in there. So it'll look like this. We have 4 times the quantity d squared minus 3 minus 1 times the quantity d squared minus 1. And what I'm going to do is look at this like two distributive problems here. So we're going to distribute the number outside the parentheses in each case to each value inside the parentheses. So in this first set we have 4 times d squared, that gives us 4d squared, minus 4 times 3, which gives us 12. In our second set we have negative 1 times d squared, that gives us negative d squared, times, or minus negative 1 times 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1, so minus negative 1. Now this minus negative 1, if you're subtracting a negative, it's the same as adding a positive. So our equation now looks like 4d squared minus 12 minus d squared plus 1. Now we can combine like terms to simplify. Now these two terms are like because they both have the variable d squared. So we have 4d squared minus 1d squared. That gives us 3d squared. And then these two are alike because they have no variable. So we have negative 12 plus 1. It gives us negative 11. We can combine no further because these terms are not alike. So our final answer is 3d squared minus 11.